What's up, guys? Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday. Well, we're gonna start this vlog off right, I guess. We got Duke out here eating some grass. I got a cup of coffee. We're gonna mow the lawn. We're just gonna do some crazy, weird, random stuff today. Probably keep it all at home, but stay tuned. Let's have a good day. Cheers. Part of the community. All right, now we're at Home Depot picking up some conduit, and we're gonna pick up some key rings because we have a chest freezer and a sauna in the back, and I put 210 in the back, and we're gonna go ahead and line that up. So let's get some pipe or some conduit, and then we're gonna get some key rings, and yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Saturday fun. I mean, what do you guys do on your Saturdays and Sundays? You mow the yard, you do grocery run, and you do laundry. That's it, right? Whatever. Workout's done. The grass is cut. And now we get to calm down a little bit. But not Miss Melissa. She's going fucking crazy. She can go and do all the work and get all the stuff done because we moved into this new place. And boxes still need to be put away. So, yeah. But wings are in the oven. That's all that matters. Food is important. It's been a good day.
This one episode, and then maybe you went to bed.
And be done then?
Went to bed.
We're watching this show called Dropout after Dope Sick, and then before that we watched WeWork. So we're on this like pharmaceutical entrepreneur fake it till you make it, right?
Lots of fraud.
Lots of fraud. So yeah, we're gonna watch the rest of this show and then we're gonna call it a day. So yeah, you guys have a good rest of the good one, and thanks for coming along on this random Sunday. Peace.